And now at our tooling station, many of you don't know that ZOLLER is offering tool holders as well. All kinds of, as you see here, ER collet with Capro C6 connection and various others. Heat shrink, HSK, HK40, 50, 63, 100 in inch and metric as well as steep taper in CAT dual contact, BT dual contact, ER, and as well as high performance holders, the ZOLLER Hawkeye. So now, what is most important for ZOLLER to basically make the customer's life easy, in particular with tool management. It is most important for ZOLLER to make the life easy for you as a customer. We are providing the digital twins with parametric values, which you can upload straight to your tool management. And for that, you can see here the digital twin of this ER collet holder. You can see the full range of ZOLLER holders on myzoller.com.